Trial balance explained. Foundation level financial accounting. Intro. What's up, CPA students? Welcome back to QuickBooks with Fredrick CPA. Today we are covering topic 3, trial balance. If your trial balance ever refused to balance, this video is for you. Stay till the end, and I'll teach you step by step, plus show you how to do it in QuickBooks. Section 1, Definition. First, what is a trial balance? A trial balance is a list of all ledger accounts with their debit or credit balances. The main purpose is to verify that total debits equals total credits. It also serves as the foundation for preparing financial statements. Think of it like a builder checking the foundation before building. Section 2 to 3 Golden Rules. There are 3 golden rules you must know. Rule 1. All ledger accounts, don't skip any. Rule 2. Put debit balances in the debit column. Put credits in the credit column. Rule 3. Total debit must equal total credit. If they don't match, you have an error. Section 3 to 3 Steps. How do we prepare it? Follow these 3 steps. Step 1. All ledger accounts. Step 2. Record their balances. Check if it's debit or credit. Step 3. Total both columns. If they balance, good job. Section 4. Example. Let's look at an example. Cash 50,000 debit. Rent expense 10,000 debit. On the credit side we have sales 40,000 and capital 20,000. Total debit is 60,000. Credit is also 60,000. They balance. That's what we want. Section 5. Importance. Why is the trial balance important? 1. Helps detect mathematical errors early. 2. It's the basis for preparing income statement and balance sheet. 3. It saves time during an audit. You must prepare a trial balance before financial statements. Section 6. Common errors. 4 common mistakes people make. Error 1. Posting the wrong amount. Error 2. Posting a debit as a credit. Error 3. Omitting an account. Error 4. Recording only one side of the entry. Note, even if the trial balance balances, errors can still exist. Section 7. Flow. Where does trial balance fit in? It comes after ledger accounts. Then we use it to prepare the income statement and balance sheet. So the trial balance is the bridge between ledger and financial statements. Section 8. QuickBooks. For QuickBooks users, it's easier. Step 1. Go to Reports. Step 2. Select Trial Balance. Step 3. Set your date range. Step 4. Click Run, Report. Benefit. QuickBooks totals everything and flags errors for you. Outro. That's it for topic 3, trial balance. Homework. Prepare your own trial balance and drop it in the comments. If you understood, comment, I understood. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss topic 4. I'm Fredrick CPA. See you in the next video. God bless.